We've gathered here today to celebrate the topping off of the structural steel for the new paint shop. It is a tradition of ironworkers to celebrate the last major component of steel that goes into the building. Okay, and as you can see behind us, that tradition consists of hanging an evergreen tree on the last member of steel. And this is a tradition that goes back many centuries. It's a tradition that goes back to the Scandinavian countries and has even recognized that the Vikings would do this activity, where they would top off a new building with an evergreen tree. And that evergreen tree was an announcement to the people in the community to come and celebrate the completion of the building. And so we still do that today in the old world and the new. In our case, what we do is the ironworkers paint the last piece of steel white, then they can sign their name to the steel, and then when they go to lift it and put it in place, they actually tie on the American flag. So you'll see all this go up in a few minutes.